Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to change the notification tone on a Realme phone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Realme phone. Next, scroll down in the settings and tap on Sound and Vibration. Here, you will see the notification ringtone option. Tap on it, typically named notification tone. Now, you can select your ringtone. You can choose from the default tones on the phone, or you can use your own tone. To use your own tone from the phone, just tap on this device, then find and select the tone you want to use. To use a default phone tone, you have two options, classic or nature tones. Go into the category you want, select your tone, and it will be applied automatically. Once you select your tone, just go back, and it will be saved automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.